Officially off the ballot, two Republican frontrunners and a third candidate all losing their court challenges to get their names on the primary ballot, hoping to be the party favorite to run against Governor Gretchen Whitmer. Thanks for joining us for the news at 5. I'm David Custer.
And I'm Meg McLeod. Last week, 5 GOP candidates, including former Detroit Police Chief James Craig and businessman Perry Johnson, were declared ineligible for the August 2nd primaries by the Michigan Board of Canvassers. They did not hit the 15,000 signature threshold because of alleged fraudulent signatures.
TV5's Raven Blue tells us how this could impact the race for governor.
That will just, narrow the field somewhat and narrow the choices for voters.
A Republican frontrunner for governor has received another blow in his fight for a spot on the August ballot. A judge declined the challenge from former Detroit Police Chief James Craig. Craig and 4 other candidates were removed from the ballot after fraudulent petition signatures were turned in by paid circulators, causing the contenders to miss the threshold of 15,000 signatures to be added onto the ballots. That cuts the number of Republican primary candidates in half. But MSU political scientist Matt Grossman says this does not mean the general election will be a win for Governor Gretchen Whitmer.
I'm a little doubtful. I think that the Republican candidate, even if they're not known now, is going to generate the support of Republican voters.
Grossman says while this is an extraordinary circumstance, it will not hurt Republicans' chance in the election.
We're a swing state. It's going to be close no matter what. It also could be a Republican-leaning year because the party out of the presidency tends to win the midterm election, tends to win the gubernatorial election. They've done so, in fact, in 18 out of the last 21 gubernatorial elections. The party out of the presidency has won in Michigan.
The fight for a spot on the primary ballot is not necessarily over. The Michigan Supreme Court is a final option for the candidates, but the time may not be on their side. The state says it needs to complete the ballot by this Friday, June 3rd. Raven Blue, WNEM TV5.
The Michigan Supreme Court is the last hope for the candidates, but time may not be on their side as the state said it needs to finalize the ballot by tomorrow.
Another mass shooting, this time at a medical building in Tulsa, Oklahoma.